Most people compare Hulu and Disney Plus completely the wrong way. They look at price first. But here's the truth no one tells you. The real difference is not just cost. It's the type of entertainment experience each platform delivers every single day. And honestly, that matters way more in 2026 than most viewers realize. Because one platform may technically have huge blockbuster franchises, while the other quietly becomes the service you actually open most often. In this video, I'll break down Hulu versus Disney Plus, explain which platform currently has stronger overall shows, the biggest mistakes subscribers make when choosing between them, and which service fits different viewing habits best. And later, I'll show you the hidden factor that often matters more than content libraries themselves. So let's get straight into it. First, let's answer the obvious question. Which platform has better shows right now? Honestly, the answer depends heavily on what you actually enjoy watching. That's the key thing many viewers miss. Disney Plus dominates major franchise entertainment including Marvel, Star Wars, Pixar, Disney classics, and large-scale family content. Meanwhile, Hulu focuses more heavily on general entertainment, adult-oriented series, network TV, and broader streaming variety. That distinction changes everything. Now, here's where most people fail immediately. They assume bigger franchises automatically mean better overall viewing value. Not necessarily. Now let's make this practical. Imagine Jake mainly watches Marvel shows, Star Wars content, animated movies, and family entertainment. Disney Plus probably feels stronger instantly. Now compare that to Alex. Alex watches crime dramas, comedies, network television, reality shows, and mature streaming originals. Hulu may feel far more useful day to day. That's why viewing habits matter more than internet hype. Now here's where things get interesting. Many subscribers actually judge streaming platforms emotionally rather than practically. People remember giant franchise releases. But daily watch habits often tell a different story. That's the hidden reality of streaming behavior. Now in a minute, I'll show you the one factor that quietly determines long-term streaming satisfaction, more than blockbuster releases. But first, let's continue. Disney Plus built its identity around massive intellectual property brands. That means recognizable characters, big-budget universes, and franchise-driven content ecosystems. That strategy works extremely well for family viewing and fan communities. Meanwhile, Hulu built strength through variety. And honestly, that broader mix appeals strongly to many adults. Now, here's the problem. People often subscribe expecting endless excitement from huge franchises, then realize they mostly want easy everyday entertainment after work. Bored. This is where most people fail again. The best streaming service is often the one matching your real nightly habits, not your idealized entertainment fantasy. Now let's discuss content pacing. Disney Plus tends to focus heavily on event-style releases and franchise expansion. Hulu often delivers a more continuous flow of varied entertainment. That creates very different viewing experiences. Now here's where things get interesting again. Some households actually benefit most from combining both services because their strengths complement each other. That's exactly why streaming bundles became so popular. Now let's discuss another important factor. Family viewing. Disney Plus remains incredibly strong for households with kids because animated classics, family films, and recognizable franchises create broad household appeal. That ecosystem is hard to compete against. But Hulu often feels stronger for adults wanting broader television-style variety. Again, usage habits determine value. Now here's the hidden factor I mentioned earlier. Replay value. This matters enormously. A streaming service becomes truly valuable when you repeatedly return to it consistently, not just when one giant new release appears. That's the hidden difference many subscribers discover after several months. Now imagine John signs up for Disney Plus mainly for one major Marvel release. He watches it quickly. Then usage slows dramatically. Meanwhile, Hulu becomes his daily background entertainment platform because it offers more casual viewing variety. This happens constantly. Now here's where things get interesting. Streaming platforms increasingly compete not just on content quality, but on attention retention. They want users opening the app daily, instead of occasionally. That strategy shapes modern streaming completely. Now, let's discuss another important issue. Content expectations. Some users expect Disney Plus to behave like a broad, adult streaming platform. That's not really its primary identity. Likewise, some users expect Hulu to deliver giant blockbuster franchise ecosystems constantly. Different platforms serve different entertainment roles. That's important to understand before subscribing. Now here's another mistake viewers make. Ignoring household sharing patterns. Families often prioritize completely different content styles than solo viewers. That changes platform value dramatically. Now in a minute, I'll show you the simplest way to decide between Hulu and Disney Plus without wasting money. But first, let's discuss binge-watching behavior. Hulu often works well for viewers wanting multiple genres, casual entertainment rotation, and broader TV-style viewing patterns. Disney Plus works especially well for franchise fans, family viewing, and event-based entertainment excitement. That's the cleanest distinction. Now here's where things get interesting again. Streaming fatigue is becoming increasingly common in 2026. People subscribe to too many services simultaneously and end up overwhelmed by choices. The smartest viewers now focus on actual usage, repeat viewing, and entertainment satisfaction instead of massive content libraries alone. That's the smarter mindset. Now let's answer the practical question viewers really care about. Which platform has better shows right now? If you love blockbuster franchises, family entertainment, Marvel, Star Wars, and Disney classics, Disney Plus probably feels stronger overall. If you prefer broader entertainment variety, network-style content, mature shows, and more casual daily viewing, Hulu may feel more useful long-term. That's the honest answer. Now before we finish, let's summarize clearly. Disney Plus excels at franchise-driven entertainment and family-focused viewing. Hulu excels at broader variety and everyday streaming flexibility. Neither platform automatically wins for everyone. Your viewing habits determine the better choice. Now here's the most important takeaway. The best streaming service is not the one with the loudest internet hype. It's the one you consistently enjoy opening week after week without feeling like you're forcing value from the subscription. That's the smarter way to evaluate streaming in 2026. So here's the bottom line. Disney Plus and Hulu both offer strong entertainment experiences, but they serve very different viewing styles. The smartest subscribers focus on actual watch habits, household preferences, and long-term replay value instead of chasing the biggest franchise headlines online. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with which streaming service you honestly use most every week. And if you want, I can also compare Netflix, Hulu, Disney Plus, Max, and Prime Video side by side for movies, originals, and overall value.